How to add Gmail account to Thunderbird.
First, open your Thunderbird app. Then, click on the Settings icon at the bottom left corner and select Account Settings. In the Account Settings window, click on the New Account button at the top left corner and choose Mail Account. Enter your full name, then type the Gmail address you want to add and click Continue. In the next step, choose between IMAP and POP3. If you select IMAP, your emails and folders will stay synchronized with the server. If you choose POP3, your emails will be downloaded and stored locally on your computer. If you're unsure which to select, I recommend using IMAP as it works best with Gmail. After that, click Continue. The Google sign-in window will now appear. Your email address will already be filled in, so simply click Next. Enter your Google account password and click Next again. Thunderbird will then ask for permission to access your Google account. Click Allow to proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to sync your address books and calendars. You can skip this step if you don't want to sync them right now, or click Continue to proceed. That's it. Your email account has been successfully connected. You can also add more accounts by clicking on Add Another Email. Finally, click Finish or simply close the window. From the folder panel, you can now easily access all your Gmail folders and emails. And that's how you can quickly add a Gmail account to Thunderbird. Thanks for watching!